Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how you can custom install Windows 11 bypassing TPM and secure port. So this is a Dell Latitude E6420 laptop. So the Windows 11 does not support this model and the configuration of this laptop. I'm going to show you how I will install Windows 11 bypassing the secure mode and TPM. So I have bootable Windows 11 USB here. So I'm going to plug it in and switch the power button, and now I will boot into the boot menu. So it's a Dell laptop. Boot menu is for F12. So when the computer is starting, just keep on pressing F12 and it will take you to the boot menu. This laptop is legacy boot option, so I'm going to select that. That's it. So select your language and keyboard method and then click next. Click install now. Now it's asking to provide a product key, so I'm going to skip that. I don't have a product key. And which version of Windows 11? So I'm going to select Windows 11 Pro. Click next. Now accept Microsoft license agreement and click next. Now I'm going to select custom install Windows only. So click that, and it's showing the SSD drive I've plugged in. Click next, and it started copying. So this will take some time, 5-6 minutes. I'm going to fast forward this process to save some time. So click on restart now, and then take the USB off. Now I will select the country and then keyboard layout. Skip the second keyboard layout. I'm going to skip that. Continue with limited setup. I'm just going to use this device. I'm just going to type in user. Next. Password, I will skip that. Just select any of these, whichever preference you have. Just read it out and select. I will accept everything. That's it. My Windows 11 laptop is ready. So now you can connect to the internet and so look for any updates available from Microsoft. So you can do that by going into settings and then Windows Update and check for update. So I'm not connected to the internet. I won't check for updates now. That's it. Your Windows 11 laptop is ready. I hope you find this video helpful. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Thank you.